As the winter weather continues, vaccine shipments are being delayed, and that could impact us here in central Georgia. Sarah Hammond joins us live to tell us what we need to know if you have a vaccine appointment scheduled for next week.
Here in Warner Robins, but as you saw, that's not the case for most of the country. And Michael Hawkinson with the North Central Health District says if you have a vaccine appointment scheduled for next week, you could receive a call asking to reschedule. Still feeling the impacts of the storm. The Georgia Department of Public Health says both Pfizer and Moderna vaccine shipments are delayed this week.
That definitely will have an impact on vaccination opportunities.
Michael Hawkinson with the North Central Health District says they receive a shipment every week, although the number of doses vary. Their last shipment came in early last week, but this week's hasn't made it yet.
It's one of those little operational aspects that are completely out of our hands that impacts us greatly when there's a snag.
He says people with appointments through the health district should be okay this week, but that may be a different story next week.
Right now, we have yet to have to reschedule any appointments, but of course, that is entirely a possibility.
Over at Houston Healthcare, they've already had to make some changes due to their limited supply of the Pfizer vaccine.
We have had to reschedule some people who were scheduled for second shots, and also I think a few first-time shots.
Dr. Dan Stewart, the hospital's chief medical officer, says he hates to see any delays after the progress they've already made.
So we are beginning to make some impact in our community here, so that's a good thing. It's just I wish it was a little bit faster.
And as we verified before, your second dose of the vaccine does not have to come exactly 21 or 28 days after your first. That's just the minimum time frame.
You have between 4 to 6 weeks that's the sweet spot for that second dose to give you that full effectiveness.
And if your appointment does need to be rescheduled, Houston Healthcare and the health department say they will call and let you know. But if you don't hear from them, you should plan to show up as scheduled. Live in Warner Robins, Sarah Hammond, 13 WMAZ News.
Thank you, Sarah. So far, Houston Healthcare has administered 8,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, while the North Central Health District has given over 24,000 of the Moderna vaccine.